Okay, this is March 14th, 2026. After about 3 inches of rain the last few days and 6 inches of snow, brought the water up high as we've seen it this year. It's looking pretty good. A little fast right there. A little more brush required. But looking upstream, you can see how the whole valley looks. Little different view from upstream a little bit. A little further upstream, this way we'll be able to look up the entire valley. You can see it's pretty wet shore to shore there. I'm going to move up a little bit so you can see better. This was a very windy day, so sorry for all that wind. But this is looking due west now across the project. Kind of on the lower portion, about elevation 2782, I guess. And you can see over there on that bench, we got some water on that bench now, and it's coming down back onto the lower floodplain, and it's looking okay, but we'll have to go over there after the water gets down and see what it looks like. But now we're going to pan a little bit to the northwest and show you up there. You can see that's about our cut fill line right there, and you can see the water is just everywhere. Here's another view from a little bit farther north. And we'll pan around here, looking almost due west. And you can see that water on the bench is looking okay. Now we're a little bit farther north. This is about 2786 elevation, and we've got water, boy, 400 feet or more wide across there. And it's looking real nice. Another view from approximately the same area. You can see some slash piles here by the edge. We're going to throw those in this summer when we can get out there. Now we're going to move up a little farther north, and you can see a little bit of fast water here. This is right there. That's been a area that I've been putting stuff, but boy, I need to put in a little more. There's a little step down or something there that's causing that fast water. And this is the area we put that brush and a little dirt plug in here because there was a big hole. And boy, it looks real nice here. There's water clear back in those trees on the other side. And then we pan around here to the north a little bit, and you'll see how it's just water all the way across. Fairly still. I'm pretty happy with that. And this is, we're about 100 yards north of that last little clip, and it's just more or less a lake here. It's looking good. Pretty happy. You see how still that water is. It's moving there, but pretty slow. Now we're up at the old bridge crossing area where the bridge crossed the big ditch. Right there in the center is where the bridge used to be. And it's pretty still water. That water you see coming in from the right hand side there is the overflow from our back pond up here. And so it's running down the overflow. And now we're out in the middle of the stream, standing out in the middle, and I'm going to do a 360-degree pan around, going to look north right about there. Then we'll come around to the east, and the east is about right there. Keep going. Now we're coming around to the south. And we'll pan back over. And we'll finish up here at the east. Or excuse me, west. Okay, we're going to drive out on the road and give you a view of kind of mid-project to the driving south to show you just kind of the overall look of things. You can see the snow we've had, and you can, wherever it's not snow is where water's been. And you'll be able to see that the whole way down here. Going by that dirt plug area right now. And we're getting out of the trees and more into the open here. A couple of geese there in the foreground there, looking for a spot for a nest. I liking all this water. I've seen quite a few ducks today just shooting this video. They've been circling around. Now we're coming up near the parking area at the house, where we're up above the valley, and you can get past these poplar trees and you'll be able to see across. Now we're down on the lower end of the project, and so much water coming down, it has really filled it up. Okay, and this is just about going to end our tour. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.